welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of the name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Let's begin the letter C as in cat. And so I'll be using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook with care on 1 pound. The letter C is made up of just one row. So we're going to begin with the slip knot, and I need you to chain a total of 13. So let's count those together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Let's begin row number 1. So second chain from the hook, turn it around to get the back hump. It will look nicer, and I want you to single crochet in each chain all the way across. And so there will be a total of 12 single crochets, and you're going to notice that this will be a long kind of like an eye, but what you need to do is that when you put it onto your project, you're going to want to bend it so that it looks like it belongs, and when you bend it, you're just bending it into the shape of a C. So nice and easy. Too bad they all weren't as easy, right? So going right to the end. So this ending is done, and so you'll want to leave the long tail for at the end so that you can sew it onto your project if you wish. You can always hang these from little mobiles too. It's up to you. And then what you want to do is just weave in your ends and weave it in favor of the back side for your weaving in the ends. Let me just quickly show you that. So you would want to use this tail to sew it to the project, but if you want to just weave in your ends and maybe use it for something else, you could put magnets on the back of these things. The C, you would have to shape it to a project though, so it wouldn't naturally hold its shape without forcing it to do so. Another way that you can do it is you can dampen it and then spray it with spray starch as well. That's something that you can do. And then once you kind of weave in your ends, you'd have to weave in that one as well. Then when you're on the project, then you'll just shape it, and then you'll have it match the same size. So just kind of pull on it, and so when you have your other letters, just kind of match the way that it looks, and being able to do that. So this is the letter C.